parts there's an early bird called the bot-bot bird, and it walks a little bit like this. See its tail feathers protruding and its wings to the side.
What noise does it make?
Ooh, it's quite noisy. It's a noisy bot-bot bird.
Can the bot-bot bird run?
How does it run? Oh my goodness, it's a prehistoric, scary, running bot-bot bird. How does it eat? Does it peck?
It eats meat.
Pecks? Oh, I can see how it's pecking. What else can the bot-bot bird show us? Oh. How do you lay your eggs, bot-bot bird? Do you make a nest? And that's how you lay the eggs.
I want to be the daddy.
And there's the daddy bot-bot bird.